Today, I'm gonna show you how to create outline for your text using the Contour tool in Affinity. So let's get ahead with the tutorial. Before everything else, I'm gonna grab the Artistic Text tool and write a text here saying Text Outline. Choose the font I like and also set the color. I'm gonna change it to red. Then I select the Move tool and drag to increase the size a bit so you can see it better. Move it to the center. And there you go. Now if I press Ctrl A to select the text, then grab the Contour tool, place it on the text, and drag it to the left, the text shrinks. If I drag it to the right, the text expands. So this can be used to create an outline for text. Okay, let me undo this by pressing Ctrl Z. Now to create an outline, I need to duplicate the text. So I press Ctrl+J on my keyboard. You can see it's now duplicated. Then select the layer at the bottom here, which is the text at the back. I'm gonna change the color. Let's make it yellow. And now with the Contour tool selected, I'm gonna drag to expand it. This should be enough. You can see the corners are rounded. If you don't like it, you can go to the top at the context toolbar and click this to make it squared. You can also choose bevel if you want to make the corners look like this, like they are being cut off. But for this text, I'd still prefer the rounded one. Then I want to add another outline. So I'm gonna duplicate the text again by pressing Ctrl+J on my keyboard. Drag the layer to the bottom so it stands beneath both previous text layers. I'm gonna change the color to black. And with the Contour tool still selected, I'm gonna drag it like this again to expand the second outline. There you go. There's one last thing I'd like to show you. If I have the Move tool selected, then press Ctrl A to select all text, and I drag the corner to scale it down, you can see the outline doesn't follow. It remains the same regardless of whether I scale it up or down. To fix this, let me undo this first. With the outline text selected, I can go back to Contour tool, then click Big Appearance up here. It's going to separate these two words into two groups. Then I'm gonna ungroup both of them. You can see they are ungrouped now. Next, I'm gonna convert them to curves. With all of the outline text selected, right-click here on the text and click Convert to Curves. I'm gonna group all the curved outline layers. Then I select Move tool and press Ctrl A to select all. If I scale the text, both outlines scale along with the text. Now if I scale it up, it looks good too. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good day.